G'day, welcome back. So here with the VR6 today, just a quick video here. So I'm changing the front engine mount mainly because, well, I've never changed it before and this thing keeps eating radiators. Always in the same spot, the lower part of the tank where the bottom radiator hose is, seems to get stressed and kind of starts leaking. Now I'm figuring part of the problem is movement in the lower engine mount. Yeah, well, this is what the original looks like. It's two parts. So this is the top part that sits above the cross member. This is the bottom part that sits below the cross member. It's pretty soft, pretty munted, pretty bloated. This bottom half is super soft and squidgy, so I'm thinking there's a bit too much movement in this bottom mount, front mount. That's putting stress on the hose, which puts stress on the radiator fitting, and that's what's caused us to leak. So yeah, last radiator's only lasted 2 years, so I've got a fancy new radiator to go in, but I might as well get it fixed up so we're not going to have this problem again. So standard mounts for some reason are really expensive, so I've gone for the Powerflex one. This video is just to give you a quick show and tell of that, because it's quite different. Well, similar but different. Again, it comes in two pieces, top and bottom, that replace that one and that one. Yeah, so this goes onto the original kind of bit, sits on top. For the bottom, you've got to take this washer out and it clamps on there. But this mount is also tunable. You can tune your engine mount. So you've got this big marital aid looking bit that comes out of here, so you can stiffen it up. It's already real stiff compared to this floppy flopper. But yeah, so you've got this extra insert that you can insert and stiffens it up some more. I'm going to have the insert in because one day this will really be my track car. And again, on the bottom you get, again, this is super special, marital aid looking thing, which yeah, certainly will keep them up at night. Right, so that goes in that like that. So yeah, it's not a DIY video, I just wanted to show you that mount. It's definitely cheaper than the original version. It's good and stiff, it's never going to wear out, that's for sure. Never used Powerflex before, but I think this could help me out big time with this, because yeah, I don't want to do the radiator again on this car. So there we go, just a quick one. You may have guessed there'll be a radiator video coming up, bit of a difference there, but yeah, wait and see for that one. So there you go, comment, like, subscribe, and we'll see you again soon. Cheers.